Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, popularly known as IEEE, is the world's largest technical and professional organization dedicated to advancing technology. IEEE is a hub for providing technological information through extensive research, technical papers, magazines, and conferences. The IEEE community spans across 160 countries with around 43,200 members with 2,000 plus student branches in around 80 countries.
Since its inception in 2012, the IEEE SFIT student branch, fondly known as ISSB, has been propagating IEEE's goal of engaging everyone's minds with learning opportunities from within the engineering sciences in research and technologies. Well, this year has been no different. We've held various events to help people master technologies from within and beyond their regular college curriculum.
The start of the term is marked with a highly anticipated technical event, Mosaic. Brainstorming for event ideas endlessly, coming up with innovative strategies, working on beautifying the backdrops and publicizing effectively to garner crowd at the event is the very essence of Mosaic. Our events this year were Need for Speed, as the name suggests, was a UV setup event where the participants built a car from the spare parts provided to them and then raced the car to the finish line. The elaborate UV setup took considerable effort and the end result was indeed bedazzling. Kudos to the creative team for making the event such a striking visual delight. Stranger Things, inspired by the popular television series by the same name, had a unique twist of inverted coding, which was a newfangled approach to the participants. The event also had rounds where students had the opportunity to play on a life-size chessboard. Dem Bombs was an action-packed, fast-paced game. Two teams pitched against each other, had to solve riddles to get paths to build a timer circuit to save their captured member from the enemy team and retaliate by throwing sponge balls for fun.
With a successful Mosaic, IEEE was back with a hands-on IoT workshop. Enthusiastic participants, phenomenal speakers, and a great opportunity to learn and apply those skills practically. This workshop checked all the parameters. Working with Arduino devices, the students learnt about how to program the device and make them work. After the success of the hands-on IoT workshop and the demand of our incredible participants, IEEE conducted a workshop on Amazon Alexa. This workshop spoke about the Alexa skill sets and developing them further. Truly loved by the audience, it was indeed an incredible workshop. Coming to the highlight of the entire year, the highly anticipated event by the entire committee. This event was going to mark headlines in not only the history of IEEE as a committee, but also the entire college. IEEE went out of the bounds and came up with SFIT's first ever inter-college technical debate, Mind Clash. Mind Clash saw 8 teams from different engineering colleges spanning across Mumbai hustling to win the debate. The committee worked tirelessly to skyrocket this event and stays dear to everyone's heart as the most noted event ever put forth by the committee.
My journey with the IEEE SFIT student branch has been a roller coaster of emotions and experiences. There have been times when there has been a ton of work to do or something comes in the way, but every time the team has remained glued and seen to it that the work is done perfectly. I can recall some events from our first inter-college technical debate, Mind Clash, and there are a share of challenges that come when you're trying to set up a college level event. But I remember every member had backed each other and seen to it that the event was a success. A mention to the program vice head Orvin, with whom the program team work went smoothly and everything fell in place. To all the heads, vice heads, executives, the entire committee, thank you. I've learned a lot from you all and I'm going to miss every part of this. Lastly, I would like to thank the conveners, Mr. Santosh Chapneri and Ms. Valentina Rani, for all their support, all their guidance throughout this term.
The lockdown began owing to unfortunate circumstances, but still, this couldn't stop IEEE from delivering content and doing their best by being a medium to impart knowledge. We conducted 2 webinars during this lockdown. The first one being on building a rockstar LinkedIn profile, where in-depth knowledge and the precise steps and tips were provided to the participants. The next webinar was on Entrepreneurship, a Way of Life by the speaker Ali Mustafa Sheikh. He spoke about his own professional experiences which shaped him as an entrepreneur and provided insights to his professional journey, which is so inspiring and motivating.
As it has rightly said that there is no real ending, it's just the place where you stop the story. We will now conclude the video with a token of appreciation for all our members of the IEEE team. Going from college level events such as workshops and Mosaic to inter-college events like Mindclash, IEEE SFIT student branch is indeed very thankful to everyone who helped us whenever required.